Okay, so you take 3 sections and you do normal braid, but you go under the middle instead of over. So you take some more hair and you go under the middle. Then on the left side, I always just go under without getting more hair. That way it stays along the bottom. Okay, get more hair. And you go under the middle. Then take the other piece and go under. There you go. Get some more hair. And go under the middle. You're doing great. I feel like every time I do this, it turns out a little bit differently. And you'll probably do a better job than me, but this will give you the general idea of how to do it. Okay, take some more hair, go under the middle. Good job, Kenzie. All right, almost there. Take some more hair, go under the middle. Grab the other piece and go under. Okay, let's finish it out. Just take the rest of the hair. Go under the middle, kind of keep it tight at the end. Under the middle, and then finish your braid. All right, and then I always pull the hair out a little bit just to make it look thicker, and it's a pretty braid when you pull it out. All right, have a good day.
K.
D.
G.